I'm going to show you how to make a Japanese beef carpaccio. We enjoy it by dipping the meat slices in a ponzu sauce made from soy sauce and lemon juice. To prepare the ponzu sauce, the day before, in a bowl, put 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Marinate a small piece of kombu seaweed in it overnight to intensify the flavors of the sauce. Cover and put it in the fridge. The next day, add 2 tablespoons of mirin. It adds sweetness and balances the sauce. Squeeze the juice from half a lime. Add the 1 tablespoon in the sauce. Mix and set aside. Finely chop the green onions. Use a piece of beef for roasting. It is tender. I have taken it out of the fridge for 1 hour. Cut it in half. Also cut the fat into chunks for cooking. Put them in a pan over medium heat. Let them melt. Remove them. Turn up the heat. Put the beef pieces. Let them sear for 1 minute per side. I count 4 sides. During cooking, the fat penetrates the meat, adding flavor and tenderness. Remove them. Cut them into thin slices, about 1/2 inch thick. It's important to always cut perpendicular to the fibers. This way, the fibers are shortened, making the meat more tender to chew. Place them on the plate. Lightly pepper them and sprinkle with the green onion and the toasted sesame seeds. Thanks to the mirin and the kombu seaweed, the sauce becomes syrupy. Serve a bowl for each guest. Enjoy with chalk grain rice. Bon appétit! Just before eating, you can add a pinch of salt to the meat. Each slice of beef is dipped in the ponzu sauce just before eating. In this simple dish, you can enjoy 4 flavors: salty, sweet, sour, and umami. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.